Boom, people, you don't know my style already. One bag of one in a one, but bless upon yourself first. You see me in a second. We have a whole heap of updates for on Pamputtae, Lisa Hyper, doing this uniting thing, you know what I mean? I talk about Kaylan, I'm going to talk about Spice throwing shots at the Rasta, yes, because you know she hasn't been acting herself. Have lately, what there you are, ever since we bust the story that she unfollowed the rice and called off the wedding, you know. Well, it look like says she's calling more shots and letting the world know, say, you know what, it just over, you see me, I say. But before we get into anything and anything else, people, because you know my style, baga, we can't get to do it now. Just hit the like button and share. And I mean, we truly appreciate it. We try reaching broader audience, and I need your help in doing so. So let's just get straight into it. Oh, and how could I forget? We're finally gonna have Spice versus Shenseea. Yes, same night. You know what I mean? Boy, if I was Shenseea, I'm gonna pull a Jada Kingdom like Red Bull thing, you know, cause Spice, I got deal with your case, boy. Well, people, have some good news for you. Kaylan is finally home. Yes, we know she's been in the hospital for some period of time now, recovering, and it looked like so she's doing well. You know what I mean? She looked like she's very what's the word I want to say? Coherent. You know, she's on point basically. Come see her knock fist with the nurse them, and all of these things. So you know, say the girl brain not operate properly. You know, obviously they still have some things that needs to be worked on, but the greatest thing is that she's home, and she look like she's doing good. You feel what I'm saying? Child, no, I really hope that she makes a speedy recovery. You feel me? Even though I know that these people that put their hands on her is not going to be convicted. You see me? I said. But I'm just giving that update that Kaylan is home, people. You know what I mean? Yeah, she's home. So let's proceed. Okay, people, I have some good news for you. Pamputtae and Lisa Hyper seems to have reunited. You see me? I said, as you know, the two haven't been seeing eye to eye. You see me? I said, so this is definitely a good look. You know what I mean? I two bad artists, me not lie to you, even though Lisa Hype going like say she want disrespect the king and all of these things, but it's definitely a good look for dancehall. I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. Maybe Spice can bring all of them on tour, you know. Why people we need some good performers, man, to represent us in the world, you know. We need to start push talent that no even makes sense or rascal, you see me, I say. But nevertheless, big up the younger generation. But I'm just the one update to say Pamputtae and Lisa Hyper reunited, and this is what they had to say. Lisa Hyper said, "This feels so good at Pamputtae. Love and love alone with nice band. Hashtag God and time watch unity." And Pamputtae said, "From me, I look to till now. Them say unity as strength. At Lisa Hyper, woman power with the full joy with self. I just got on time, you know." Unity. And that brings me to my next story, people.
King mix up. Make sure say when you post my video, you talk it through them when me talking. You know, see somebody just tag King, say King mix up over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the King mix up. Make sure King mix up, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
You know, this is why I don't drop exclusives for Uno, like how Uno want me to. Because Uno don't rate the king. We're not seeing 1,000 likes on the videos, and we're not seeing 1,000,000 shares, you know. I know my DM full of a beer baga about Spice and Rasta not together, Spice and Rasta, Spice this Rasta. I'm like, did you not see the review I did the other day when I said Spice unfollow Rasta and call off the wedding? You know what I mean? I put wedding cancelled in bold red and white letters, you feel what I'm saying, for a reason. You know what I mean? Because me know what going from one to go on. Rasta been seeing a wedding counselor to get advice if him should marry Spice. You see me, I say. So you know prenuptial and money talk and all of these things. You see me? And that's why people in my DM I say, yo, Spice, I throw shots. You know what I mean? She posts up in her IG story at young Miami concert and I put rich as fuck. But what got people talking is when she said F love and get this money. You feel I'm saying? Because from the other day, people been saying Spice has been acting weird ever since I dropped that review. You know what I mean? And she also made this video on IG along with a caption that got people even more talking and saying that the Rasta gone, 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 gone.
You got to stop trying to fix things that you didn't break. It's not your responsibility. Some things are broken. Some people are broken. You didn't break them. You didn't break the thing or the person. Yet, you almost about to break yourself trying to fix it. Don't do that, okay? Everything is not our responsibility, even when it feels like it.
Yes, and she said stop trying to fix things that's already broken. Meaning that she break up with the Rasta, you see me, I say, because him never want to go along with the program, you see me. Cause me tell you, say, 2 Christmas, him there around the youth them, and he can't be around the youth them for 3 Christmas, and now put a ring on it. You know what I mean? So I don't know if this is a part of love and hip-hop season, whatever season it is with Spice on it, boy. The youth them, after the Rasta say he is not a stepdad, he's the dad that stepped up. Boy. People putting in the comment section where they really think I will go on from one to go on. Like I said, people. Ras been seeing a wedding counselor to say within future with Spice it's going to be nice. And Price Spice not like what the counselor putting out the Rasta man ears, you know. Boy. Hey. And it look like said Justin is moving out of Spice's house because me see trailer and all of these things with him name on it and all of these stuff. Why, people? But speaking about the dancehall queen, why, people, this not a good look for dancehall pop star queen, Shenseea. You see, I didn't think this would ever happen in a million years because I know the type of embarrassment Shenseea is going to get. You know what I mean? I don't know how much money Joe offered Big Belly Boy to make Shenseea compete with Spice on the same night. But actually, obviously, a whole heap of money thing that you see me, I say, because people, let's be honest, Shenseea is going to flop, you know? You know what I mean? She's going to go hard still, but she's going to flop, you see me, I say. I don't think Spice and Shenseea should ever perform on the same stage, being that them not seeing eye to eye, because Spice is going to outshine Shenseea. But I want to warn Spice, just like how Shenseea did Jada Kingdom, Shenseea might throw some shots at Spice and sing. And the Dolly song, cause you know, say, the Dolly them are go dead. You know what I mean? Shenseea always needs some dancers, and Shenseea is definitely going to bring pretty dancing shitty pep. And TC, boy, Jada Kingdom get put on the other night still. You know what I mean? Boy. Hey, people, what a bag of mix up I gotta go on pan Sumfest night. Cause me know be a word I gotta throw, you know. Boy, Shenseea them better behave themselves and not piss off Spice, you know, but people putting at the comment section. Who is going to close the show? I'm assuming this is Dancehall Night, you feel me? Because there's a lot of heavy hitters on there, you feel what I'm saying? But we're going to say who is the heaviest. And I mean, people putting out a comment section, who do you think is going to close the show? This is like versus TV, Shenseea versus Spice. But this is the lineup. So far, Idonia, Shenseea, Spice, Alkaline Massacre, Governor, TJ, Ding Dong, Lali, Chronicler, Aritadla, Marsichin, Intense, and Iwater, Radical, 450 Skang Jassy, with highlights on the next generation. This definitely looks like a good lineup, though. I'm not lie to you, you feel what I'm saying? The people, they'll definitely get their money worth. But I want you, hopefully, everybody gets to perform on time, you feel what I'm saying? Boy. People putting out a comment section who's going to close.
Don't make enough of them gyal a check on the people. Me I tell you no. Enough of them are 5 man them send for already. 5 man. Them send for 5 man already. And I know none of the man them can come. Because 4 of the man them have criminal records. And 1 man I know if him filing can't come through because him smoke too much. Him can't pass the test. Him can't pass the medical. You hear me say? Blood clot. The amount of money you want to spend on divorce to bring man a foreign. Want if you know immigration. You want blood clot. You can't check me, you know. You can't check me. If you don't have nothing good for say, don't say nothing. Somehow you can't send for nobody at all. Or you reach a foreign, you can't send for nobody. Or you reach a foreign, you can't send for nobody at all. So leave it alone.
Boy, reaching that easy, you know. But yes, people, you don't know the thing said. Dewey crossed back home to Queen Lady Gangster after she cussed all the people them that was basically her support team during his 6-hour him gone left her. You see me, I say, boy, that's why I'm for stay with a people relationship, you know. But if you want to listen to more what Richie have to say, that's over on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel. So just subscribe to the 2 channel, then Boom Bye Bye TV and the Mix Up and Things channel. Don't forget to comment and like and share and things over here. So, you know what I mean? We truly appreciate it. Bless.